In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Postscript on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify store owner or just starting out, adding Postscript to your site is a fantastic way to enhance your communication with your customers and boost your marketing efforts. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the Apps section. Go ahead and click on this. Now, what we're doing here is entering the marketplace of apps that Shopify offers, a space bustling with tools to help streamline and promote your business. In order to find Postscript, you'll want to utilize the search function. Type in Postscript and press enter. Almost instantly, you'll be taken to a list of results. When you find Postscript in your search results, click on it. This will open up the app's detailed page. It's a great idea to spend a few minutes here just looking over the information provided. You'll find an overview of what this app can do for you and how other Shopify users have rated it. Postscript specializes in text message marketing, and its features are designed to help you easily engage and interact with your customers via SMS. This can translate into increased sales and customer loyalty, so it's well worth considering how this app can fit into your strategy. Once you're satisfied with what you see and you're ready to proceed, look for the Install button on the screen. Clicking on Install will begin downloading the app to your Shopify store. This step is relatively quick, but remember, a stable internet connection will help ensure a smooth installation. Once it's successfully downloaded, you'll be prompted to begin the setup process. The setup process itself is designed to be user-friendly. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through connecting Postscript with your Shopify store. Make sure to pay attention to each step. It's worth understanding the options available to you, as they can directly impact how you engage with your customers through the app. Settings may include features like personalized message flows, customer segmentation, or even integrating Postscript with other marketing tools you already use. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you'll have installed Postscript on your Shopify store and be ready to explore its SMS marketing capabilities. As a tip, after setup, spend some time experimenting with the features to get comfortable. The more you know about what Postscript can do, the more effectively you can use it to engage your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!